This is the instructions for how to fill out a 1099 INT page. You can go to Forms from the dashboard. You can go to Forms and go to 1099 INT after you've selected the tax year. So we're going to go to the 1099 INT. We're going to select the payer. If you don't have a payer, you can always click the Add Payer button. That will take you to the payer input screen where you can put in all of the information, and then it will be listed here. After you get done choosing the payer, then you go down here and select the recipient. Now, if you don't have a payer for that recipient, then it won't be listed, so you'll have to click Add a Recipient. But if you've already inputted your payers and your recipients, then they should be there in the drop-down. Once you have this information filled in, then you should be able to come over to the right side of the screen and fill in the appropriate boxes for your form. Once you get done with all of the information, then you can save and continue, or if you need to do another INT form, you can always hit Save and Add New 1099 INT. Or if you're done with the INTs and you want to add a different form, you can always save and add a new form. And that's how you fill out a 1099 INT.